Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be renovating this slime, and look at that slime. It's really hard. I brought it from school. Let's open it up. Yeah, it's super really stretchy, and it makes bubbles. It's so cool, guys. It's really cool. It's really stretchy. It makes a bubbles, and really it's a pokeball. Oh my god, this is so soft. And oh, okay, I'm just kidding. We're gonna renovate this really quick. First, I'm gonna make a hot water. Yeah. So I already put it in the water, and I forgot to press record, but whatever. I'm getting it out, and I realized it was getting smaller, but whatever. It's stretchier, softer, and I like it. It was really great. It's not done yet. As you read the title, we're gonna make it into a fluffy little slime. But really, it gets smaller. I don't know how this gets smaller. Huh. So yeah, let's just get it. Okay, so to make this fluffy, you need a container and some water. I'm using the hot water from before because it gets cold already. This is a mixture of a face wash and a a body wash. I poured it in there. Okay, I put it like it was a sauce. And yeah, I mixed it. Wait, did I mix it? No, I don't. Oh yeah, I do mix it. So I did mix it. So I mix it. Mix it together. Hmm. Come on, let's mix. I added some more. I don't know why, but whatever. I think what makes it fails is because that solution, because that's like my old face wash, so I think it doesn't work anymore. Okay, calm down. I tried adding it there, so I will make it fluffier, and then I just try to put it slime there, I put there, and I realized it was melting, but why didn't I take it out? Oh my god. Take it out. Take it out. It was melting. Don't even think of mixing it. Take it out. Oh my. Okay, there we go. They are taking it out. I tried to fixing it by mixing it, but I realized it was melting. I had to do something this time. Okay. It's panic. Okay, I'm doing panic. Oh my god, I did more. I added that to fix it, but then it melts even more. It melts even more. It melts even more. It wasn't working, so I tried to get another face wash to see if it works. It looks like glue. Okay. Where's the face wash? Where is it? Why didn't I add it? Okay, where is the face wash? Take that. Okay, I added. Yep. I added way too much, so it gets really hard. Sorry for the glitch. So yeah, it became really good. And I just put it back into the water, and it's a bad idea. Okay, but luckily I only put it a little bit, and I realized the water was too much, so I put it back. And yeah, I just started stirring the slime over there because I thought it was getting fluffy. It was, but it's melting at the same time. But what am I doing? Sorry for the background. Sorry, there are so many things happening here. So yeah. Oh, I just built that up, so I added some more water. Yep, this is kind of a fail, but whatever. Okay. I keep poking it, which is good. I don't know why I should kept, and I just put it in the water again, and then it just melts, but I don't get it out. Oh my god, this is such a failure. Because once it melts, it it doesn't even form again. I thought it was going to form to a fluffy slime, but no, it doesn't form to a fluffy slime. It just melted like that. I tried different type of things. Try adding that, try adding these, but that doesn't even work. It just makes it worse. Worse than I thought. It looks like complete glue that I'm trying to make a slime in. Okay. I don't know. My friend was trying to search like what would make it better. I keep on adding things and just keep on being worse, and it doesn't act like a slime anymore. So I decided to take her slime so she can help me, but no, it does kind of form, but it doesn't turn into a slime. As you can see, I'm struggling there, and she helped me. Okay, what am I gonna do? I was desperate at this time. I keep on mixing and mixing. I don't know what to do, guys. Just look at me. I'm a mess. Yep. Okay.